Okay, sir, we are going to show you another way to solve a new problem. Okay, sometimes the machine, your mask, the machine made the mask is not good in 2 points. Here is too short, and this side also too short. But on those two sides, it's normal. It's okay. But just for this side and that side is too short. They are all too short. So how can we solve this? Basically, we need to adjust the position for the two cylinders. This one and this one, because there are those two units who pull the ear loop on the who will do the ear loop pulling job. So we can do this on the PLC screen. First of all, I would like to introduce the 0 point and the positive and negative direction concepts for you. This is the 0 point of the cylinder, the small ear loop clamp cylinder. Okay? And in this direction is positive direction, and in that direction is minus direction. So we can see how we can adjust the position of the small cylinder. You just press the plus button. 手指拿开一下，把那个鼠标拿。Just press the plus button, and the cylinder 是往这边移吧。Will move. The cylinder will move this direction. This direction, okay? On the contrary, if you press the minus button, the cylinder will move forward, okay? Which means the negative direction. Press the plus button, it moves the positive direction, and press the minus button, it moves the negative direction. So we want the ear loop to be long enough in here. What we should do? 我们是应该按正的还是负的？加是吧？
懂了吗？懂了就往这边调。正。
So we want the ear loop in those two positions to be long enough. So we press the plus button to make the cylinder move in this direction. Again, a little bit. You can press many times and at the same time to see the movement of the cylinder. Then you can solve the problem like that. But there is one thing very important. When you adjusting the position for this cylinder, always be careful, because this little clamp cannot touch the clip in here. Do not let this happen. Always be careful, okay? It's very bad to the machine. Once they touch you, you can damage the cylinder or the clamp. Okay.